Welcome to the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. We're competing in motorsport as a fun experience, and we're kind of unique because most of our sponsorship comes through crowdfunding from lovely people like you. So this is part 2 where we try and build a sump guard for my mate's MGB GT out of scrap for no money at all. You ready? Let's run VT.
This clip is especially for you, Errol. Run VT.
So you've been driving this for about a week.
Yes.
If not a couple of weeks now, and you say it's been not overheating, but
No. But the body heat inside I can feel.
Oh, okay. Is your temperature gauge affected
No,
in any way?
no,
Okay,
only me.
Only you, just getting a bit sweaty.
Yeah, a bit warm, but no, it's all right. It's just noticeable compared to.
Yeah.
I suppose you're trapping gearbox heat and a bit of engine heat. I don't know.
All right. So the plan for today then is to take this off and replace it with some old sign material. Look. But Shane Parry, one of our YouTube followers, recommended that we join those two bits of metal together because I suppose he's quite right. You know, if you get an impact, it's going to go smack there, isn't it?
Yes.
And it'd be really nice if that was braced all the way along. I mean, he was suggesting things like angle iron and stuff. I mean, he does some serious off-road.
He's a lot crazier than I am.
Yeah, so I think what we'll do is we'll just join it with flat bar to start with along the top, and that will give you a proper crease to aim for as well.
Yes.
Won't we bend this up? Yeah. And the other was it Paul Whittington was suggesting that this is too low.
It's like a spade.
Yeah, so if we do end up going in gravel, that will end up just scooping it all up and it will end up in there.
But we did say originally, Kev, that we were going to kink
Bend
that,
it up.
didn't we?
Yeah, I personally I think it wants to be at least that high, doesn't it?
Yeah, up in under here.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
So all right then. So we'll get a bit more flat bar. We'll measure it. Go on, actually, you can do that with your plumber's eye. Bang on 32 centimeters.
The young lads, if they could learn to drive.
Yeah, you got a bit of an oil leak. Do you reckon that's what it is? Where's it coming from?
I don't know. It's always that one. British, isn't it?
Oh, okay. So
I'm not worried about the rest. You're never going to
no,
see it.
because obviously, yeah, it's a sign. So do you want the grey?
Underneath, facing down.
Grey facing down, because
Yeah,
that's
and
what you're going to do. Everyone's going to look
See
underneath
that,
and go, look at
and then
that.
we'll just spray this bit. This
Right.
is the front, isn't it?
That's
Yes.
the front, but that's up.
Yeah, but that'll you only see it to there.
No, okay, yeah, exactly.
So I reckon we'll just spray it.
So it wants to be that way around, doesn't it?
Wow.
Blimey, Charlie.
That was good, wasn't it? I can't hear a thing now, but...
Yeah, sorry, I just realised halfway through it, I went, I've got ear defenders and
I
you don't.
haven't.
No, sorry, mate, I'll give you a...
Where am I? In the landing. They are, everybody.
Alfie! Come and say hello to your fans. Hello, fans. You're right, mate. You come to see episode 2 of the Sump Guard? No, not really. Look at your little tracker. Yeah, look at your tracker. So your fans can keep an eye on you. Yeah, here's me arse. Thanks, mate. Just a quick advert. If you'd like to support our little team, then please consider becoming a YouTube member or a patron. It's only a couple of quid a month and you'll get the midweek update video bang up to date and also extra footage, you know, in-car stuff of all the stages and the rallies that we do. And that money really does help us to do the sport that we love to do. So to all of our supporters that help us, thank you very much. Let's crack on. Right, so we marked it out. Just got to cut it out. Don't use that tool. No, I say I only really found those like a couple of years ago, and I was like, oh, all those years I've been messing around.
Trying to
Yeah. Right. So what we're going to do then is make these holes.
Yes.
And
that's the countersink side, because that's the bottom.
And then
So they're all countersink, and the one at the back.
Yeah, they're all countersink, aren't they?
From this side.
Oh yeah, and we're going to round the edges as well,
Yes,
aren't we?
and yes.
What sort of radius do you want?
anything that looks.
Washer size.
I'm going to say, have I got I'm going to coins in it.
Yeah, that's what you want. A really old 10 pence piece. I was going to say an old 10 pence piece.
We used to do all
Is that too big?
No, I don't think so, is it? No, spot on, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that. That'll be nice, won't it?
Works.
Oh yeah, did you want speed holes in it?
I think so.
Where do you want speed holes? At the front?
know.
Let the air in.
Do you?
There's also let gravel
Yeah,
in.
let gravel and sand in, didn't it?
Who told me a story? Joe Moore. It's what a lot of the works teams did. They put a thin, a fireproof foam between the engine sump and the skid pan.
Did they?
Because and it makes sense, because they said what would happen is if you get stones go in between the sump guard and the thing, and then you hit a bump, bam, those stones are going to go through. So it stops the stones from getting in that delicate area. You've just got that fireproof. But I can imagine that ups your sump temperature a little bit. That's nice, isn't it? That was definitely worth taking the sticker off.
It was, mate.
So we have some rattle can black paint that we don't need to now. Look.
Use it on the interior.
A free bit of aluminium has turned into a quality bit of aluminium. X-sign material. Good, right.
Right, let's get it up.
Let's get it on the car.
Yeah.
Oh no, we still need to bend it. We still need to bend it.
We have to. Here's the
I'd love
fold press.
proper folding machine.
Yeah. You don't see them ever, do you?
I could make one, but
That'd be easy if we've got more leverage now, haven't you? And it's against steel. I reckon there somewhere. Do you?
Woohoo!
Yeah, I reckon, don't you? Is that equalish?
Oh, yeah, a little bit more. Who knows? Let's stick it on the car. See what it looks like.
Yeah. Are you going to insert that one first?
Tool of the week. Yeah, tell you what, I've never owned one of these before.
Jealous when I saw that.
But I got this off the Mac Tool van,
Yes.
Mori, and I absolutely love it. It's a game changer.
It is, isn't it? I loved it when I used it just now. I thought, yep. Look, perfect.
Oh, that is, see, it doesn't affect your airflow.
No, at all. Not on the oil cooler or anything. It's perfect.
It's almost like we tried. Isn't it?
I love it.
That is actually really good.
Very worked.
And it's all nicely rounded off on the edges.
It's posh, doesn't it? Yeah, we love it, don't we? We just need to do a rally.
So, do you reckon we've achieved our goal?
I certainly do, Kevin. Thank you very much. For your
So we made an aluminium sump guard for absolutely nothing. Made out of scrap. Chocks away.
Yes, chops away. Thank you, Kev.
Have you checked the car for cats?
No cat in there.
Right, I'll see you later.